Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change Zoom status to away. To change your Zoom account status, open the Zoom app on your mobile device and sign in. Go to the More button at the bottom right from the main home page. Inside the More menu, tap on your profile name and then you will be able to see an available option. Simply tap on that, which is located right under Work Location, and there you can choose your status. Tap on Away from the list and then you will then be able to see a clock icon right next to your profile picture at the top left. To go back to Available, you can repeat the step and choose Available. Marking yourself as away tells your team or meeting members that you are temporarily not available, so that is how you can change your Zoom status to away. You can do it on both desktop and mobile devices, easy, fast, and professional. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.